Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much again for joining me today. Today, we are in the community of Bridgeland, which is in Cypress, Texas. Now, the model that we are viewing is built by Beazer, and it is called their Duet Collection. The reason why it's called the Duet Collection is because it is actually two homes side by side, but the one that we're currently viewing is called the Reflection. Now, this Reflection is a two-bedroom, but you have an option to make it a third bedroom if you choose. It is a little over 1,700 square feet, and the starting price is going to be right below the $400,000 mark. Now, if you are concerned about what schools your children will be zoned to with this community, you will be in Wells Elementary, Smith Middle School, and Bridgeland High School. Now, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. Also, my name is Linda Blue. In case you did not know, I am your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. Remember to leave a comment below if you have any questions regarding this model or any real estate related questions, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Now, enjoy the rest of this tour.